Sairam children, welcome to maths class. Children, we have started with our chapter number 12, data handling, and we have learned about pictograph. Today we are going to continue and we are going to understand the next concept, which is tally marks. Now what is tally marks? Children, we use pictographs, right, to represent data with small numbers. For larger numbers, it is not possible to draw so many pictures. Thus, we draw tally marks to represent such numbers. Okay, so every time we cannot draw pictures for each number if there are 100 or if there are very big numbers are there. So, during that case, we have to use tally marks. Now, what is tally marks? Tally marks are vertical lines. Okay, we draw one vertical line for one observation, 4 lines, and the 5th observation we draw a line crossing the 4th vertical. Okay, each represent 5 observations. Now see here how we have to draw. For each observation we draw one line, one vertical line, standing line, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4th, okay, the 5th observation is a crossing line or a slanting line, like this will be the 5th one. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 4 observations are over. The 5th will be slanting or crossing line. Okay. Children, now let us see an example. Following is a set of observations showing the interest of 43 students in different sports. Represent the data using tally marks. Okay, so there are two columns, sports ka and number of students. So you can see different sports are given: football, skating, badminton, cricket and basketball. And number of students are given, that 8 students like football, okay, like who are interested. Then 13 students like skating, 4 students like badminton, 12 students like cricket and 6 students like basketball, right? We have to represent this data using tally marks. Now very important thing, we have to draw the table and there will be 3 columns. Okay, so in that the second column will be the tally marks ka column. In this manner, first sports will come, then tally marks and then number of students. Okay, now tally marks, we have to put the tally marks. Let us start. Now for football there are 8 students, so 1, 2, 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8. Okay, then for skating 13 students are there. 1 2 3 4 5 will be crossing line, then 6 7 8 9 10 will be crossing line, 11 12 13. Okay, for badminton 4 students are there, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, for cricket we have 12 students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And for basketball we have 6 students, right? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so in this manner we have to put the tally marks. So this manner we have to put the tally marks, children. Now let us move towards exercise 12.2. So everybody will remove the textbook, page number 172. Okay, now the first question is easy and it is homework for you. There are 2 questions. We will go towards question number 2. Okay, now question number 2 is Nitesh goes to a park with his family. There he sees a variety of birds and animals. Their data is given below. Complete the tally table using tally marks and answer the questions that follows. Okay, So there are 2-3 things that we have to do. Now first thing, the raw data is given to us. Okay, here you can see that whatever the animals were there in the park, it is given: sparrow, parrot, dog, squirrel, crow, rat, so on. So all the animals are given here. Okay, so here we have to first sort all the animals, correct? How we will do it? By putting tally marks and the how many numbers are there, how many animals are there. Now children, you are going to do this question in your textbook itself. The space is given in the textbook, so you are going to do it there. Okay, so let us start, children. Everybody, 1 minute. Okay, so let us start. Now you can see, children, how we will do is we will put one tally marks for each animals. Okay, and we'll cut the name of that animal so that we don't get confused. So your sparrow is given. Sparrow, for sparrow I've put there 1 tally marks. Okay, then for parrot I will put 1 tally marks. Dog, squirrel 1, crow your 1, then rat 1. Okay, then again sparrow they have given, so 1 tally marks, then dog, then squirrel. Where is squirrel? Yes, so put your 1 tally mark. Then rat we have, yes, then parrot again, sparrow 1 tally marks, crow, where is crow? Yes, here it is. Then parrot 1 tally marks, rat, again sparrow, then squirrel here. Then we have rat again, then crow, where's crow? Here, sparrow again. Now for sparrow you can see, children, already 4 tally marks are over. This is the 5th one, so I'm going to put a slanting line. Okay, then we have rat. For rat also the same thing. Okay, then parrot, sparrow, dog, squirrel, crow, yes, again rat. Okay, squirrel also 4 observations are over. Okay, then rat, crow, where is crow? Yes, squirrel, parrot, sparrow, and the last one is rat. Okay, so this many animals are there. Now let us count how many tally marks we have put. For sparrow you can see there are 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So here we will write 7 number. For parrot we have 5. Then for dog there are 3. Squirrel 5 plus 1, 6. Crow 5. By looking at the observations or the tally marks, you can understand how many are there, right? Now your rat you can see 5, correct, plus 3. So it is 8, correct? So you have to write it down in your textbook properly, put the tally marks and write the numbers. Okay. Children, now let us move towards the next question. How many dogs and rats did Nitesh see? Okay, so look at your table. Here you can see dog 3 and rat 8, correct? So 3 dogs are there and rat how many? 3. So it is 3 plus 8 is 11, correct? So you'll tick mark the second option, which is 11. You can tick mark in the textbook itself. Next question is the B question. Which animal did he see the most. Okay, how you will understand? By looking at the numbers. Now here, which has the highest number? Rat. Correct? Rat, 8 numbers are there. So 8 rats were there. So we are going to tick mark the first option, which is a rat. Okay. Next is C1. How many birds did he see in all? So how many birds did he see in all? We have to count, right? Sparrow, 7, right? So sparrow he saw, plus parrot, 5. Then crow is a bird. So crow, how many are there? Crow is 5. So 7 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so it is 17, right? So correct. So how many birds did he see? He saw 17 birds. Okay. D1 is how many more squirrels did he see than dogs? Okay. How many squirrels are there? There are 6 squirrels. Correct. Then how many more squirrels did he see than dogs? How many dogs are there? There are 3 dogs. Correct. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 3 more squirrels he saw than dogs. Correct. The last one is how many birds and animals did he see in all? So we have to total everything. Correct. If we total everything, we will get 34. Second one. Okay. So there are total 33 birds and animals in all. Okay. Everyone will tick mark all the correct answers in the textbook. Next is your homework part, children. As I've told you, question number 1 is homework for you. You will write the answers in the textbook itself. Okay. So that's it. We have completed our portion. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day.